Kblay pi baro syagatuk Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat makong san mentaga sengi kilong. Kentu DC bat SP ki opisar ban Peit ngor ni ki Jakarta Sorkar. Thang ki dusmon artli ki dampa hatura. Bamdo kedingi ki lak ki putit kelong yeng ha selsela. Bat sedang kathma kawang petrol bom ha Shillong. Bat mentangin pa syaki Khubor bakham banyak. Hadin belajar bun ke jingkawang petrol bom ya ki tempulit bat ofis sorkar hakini ki kendiat tayo bat ki badang jashen hakini ki sengi. Deputy Commissioner bat Superintendent of Police haka Shitarik JYMMANG kilapen benar bat betha ya ki ofisar bat kinong terai sorkar ban husiar bat Peit ngor ya ki ofis sorkar banam syak penjat ne penjulor ki mar ki mata bat ki ying ki sem jeng ki paipa ha ki riurunar bat ki dusmon ya ki imlang salang. Khubor Senchar District kilapen bena bakin penjur kilat pahara kamtam ha kapor mit bat sengi syuti ban yada ya ki mar ki mata jeng ki paipa na ki kti jeng ki dusmon bat ki riurunar. Khubor Senchar District kila kentui ki opisar ban bu bahai ki kali sorkar ha ki jaka basengan hapo atat office badon kinong ap pahara ha kapor mit.
With SP, so we are in fact strengthening the entire security arrangement during night time, and SP has prepared a contingent plan on this. So by today evening we are discussing with SP and we are discussing on what action we have to initiate, and in terms of identifying the culprits who are perpetuating this kind of attacks, and we will update again this evening.
So we
have taken for these government properties and particularly for government vehicles, we have informed all line department to keep their vehicles and the property in a secured way, particularly not to keep in open areas, particularly vehicles. And all these government properties from last night onwards, all these government properties, particularly police stations, where we have strengthened the security arrangements there. So we are hopeful that in the next 1 or 2 days we can stabilize things, particularly with regard to law and order.
Haka step Shitarik JYMMANG artli ki trok damper jong company Shillong Construction kila syak thang haki dusmon katba kidang yeng penyeng haka jaka yeng trok habok magri hajantura. Kadau bagi dusmon kila thang ye kini ki trok damper la suba baladon ki cap ba ki damper jong kini ke company kila tenra kena bat ki wei ki briu kat ba kidang yat hatura. La subaru bagi nong yak kini ke company ki kamle meng ye ki terasnong kini ke jaka. Kat kum ki jingat ho jong ki pulit kila ong bagi dusmon kila senret ki umpnyang bat kila wiang ding ya kini ki kali ha kapor kumba lai baji min step ngap. Maria deple ikini ke kam kila pet kerat wood na kata ke jaka. Kawai ke damper kala inglut bat kawai pat kam de julor than. Ke Shillong Construction Company kedang senapen he ia ke surak tura syadalu kabala mang jinglut de kispak lur tingka ban pendep yaka. Kelong ying jengu artis CH Marak kabadon hadong bol salgri selsela kala duk lut plon ye kilak kiputit ha keding kabala bam syngam na pangi kejing don jing jong u ha ka sengilai pau terik uyayong. Nalor ke spa kapau ki jan ki nem ki tiar gitar ki duler bat ki tiar barem dor kani keding kala bam ye ke tractor kali Mahindra pick up power tiller bat ka Maruti Alto. Dan bok khat arngut ki mensim briu ki basyong hakani ke ying ki lalat na kejing mensa. Kejing klut kamariang, kejing jur kala air, bat kejing bun ki kali hakani ke ying kala pinstet ye keding kumbat he klen. Ban bam stet tang hapok kendiat kenta, ban penkela depay bat tenjot ye ke ying brok kawai. La suba kejing sedang jong kani keding kadai ni ki wire elektrik ki balator bat rim labon senam menta. Haka step perngap Shitarik JYMMANG kumba kapor South Shiteng min step kirunar kila kawang petrol bom ye kerenjak police station pada Shillong Sardar police station. Haka ni kejuk ke step la kawang petrol bom ru ye ke office Meghalaya Government Construction Corporation MGCC. Ki kamera close circuit TV kibla pendat haka ni kilai kili kejaka kila peni bekim don kinu ki jingdu ni ki jingjulor ye ki yeng ni ki tiar gitar. Dekini kidak kishin kajing suk bat kajing shingan ha kini kenong ba kilas dang ban pet kerat bat la kersoi da kidak kishin jong kathma bat kading ha ke emlang salang Khubor sensyar bat ki pai panong shong shnong kide ban pen kre elade ban tem ya kini kading jong kajing ya kenat manu bat nu empat don betip namar kedur kedar kampat pau syai ba haduk mentah
Just terus sengit dulu.
Don't know how much delivery you going to question.
Jadi bagada isya akhir kulit deh. Pas tak kulit.
Ini bawan arngut NAKA baik tu selawan kene la ini kene lingki dan nya kasan office so we do la hel na baik la kawang da petrol pump office la de nakali na part office tambah hamdeshu so la kin long la de la hab na medan kin ndeshu long la de na office accommodation na office ru na kali ru na long la hab na medan mle issue ken
Kalau beji kerja kata jingwan yang tadi bro arngot wakong coba.
Khatwai sauko
Kemudian ba?
dan tang ba la pai to jingit office but to la mong net kali ru
Bila bentuk terkemat tik bro na.
tu la cover kmat tu ading
Mas kawang kila pet apa?
Apa
Kata Khubor bagi kawang mana-mana berdan hang ni ha office ni mana-mana.
ni dan tang arngun dan ba kawe dan lang ba pet lam kan office tu song stay nga song ne tu masih yo la snow kan la ba kawang la snow kawang am la ba pai plat ni la mi kan ni mamun mere stay kan mere be am pesua kan fire kan mo sibet mlap shu la de sei te ada
Mungkin kita kejing julur ke ba syarket. Kemudian ro.
dan
Mu PE kita kibai ibuan ketika baik ayu besi PE ni
am
kaplet.
isu tu baik masih mengimi ngisi la te la hala salah pet okey
Buai hang ni ha office jong deka Meghalaya ko pesi.
ngade
Uba Raiwan Sotun, Assistant Secretary kasing HANM ha kasitarik JYMMANG, ulapin scam nongkit kam bethamai yo ba Alex Nongbet, Vice President, bad yo ba Deforestar Renja, General Secretary, bad yo ba Francis Sotun, kum Publicity Secretary. Lapin dep ia kini kejingpin scam ha office terikam jong ke HANM, kabadon hamau kasyang. Kini kinongkit kam bethamai, kilami bujili hak jaka jeng gitu kibalami no NAKA HANM.
Sotun iban sa long ni public cities seperti juga HM Sengkini bat kumjoro iba Alec Nongbet iba dai jelas sekretari jongga HM Personal Circle iban salong Vice President jongga HM Sengkini hakaba iba Raiwan Sotun, ibadai asistan jesutri jong sengkemi in sa pendap kum ka jing pentian smai ya kine ki laingot ki bal salong ki nongkit nongba ya lengkor kau khia jong kari bak ka jai pen reo te ka etnem ka sukwa ban Banshai Shapi ki President ki Secretary Jong ki District ki Baper ki Badon hak negeri ke Ikajuni baka HNM Nalor President kalabo sa arngot ki Pai President ki banyakit ki lengkor bakya Jong ke Jait Benreu Jong ke Jylla Meghalaya Bat na lor uskatri kasisi kala thung sa arngot ki astan skritri knang ba ka pensok ki kom trekam kumno ban ai ke jin shakri ba kham jala jusu ya kari bat ke jat penreo shikenten argentin bawatla ki don katu katne kiba kre ban pensu thu bakra ya ki nongkit kam jong kaseng kham tam ya ki nong sudong jong Jylla Henry kum ki nonglam jong ki district watla hai por balengkot philewan kat ne kroi president jutri kane galong kadak jong ka jing ai mensim Om tang yang au present barang ba anrai ya baro ki office beral ki badon haga central executive committee namar ni juong ba ki riuslur kim ju song thak banikun nimdei ki ba shuri tren herangi don syak ka bensim ban ik yakari ka ba ik ka jung Nama kata ngam kwa on penslam
ngin tres dom tres ham dak men siem ka bakya ka men siem ti suret bat ajing te priu te play bat ni close kam pan sikri hop ya ka jat ben riu klam kerandien
kat ba mo mga salat na pa Pilong mati Samla kari ayat te salat na pan salat na pan salat na pan salat na pan kublai koi pi kublai shibon pais bomo na karpat
Hak jengi kendu jong UTC bat Khubor jong ke Shillong Municipal Board, Shillong Cantonment Board, Defence Estate ban perkhat kumno ban le ikibriu ki besong bean jaka jong ka cantonment la shem bagani ke jaka kadang don hak jengi kini ahing kashari. Ya menta 4 la ban le tat hadu bandarai kaying kashari. Kaying kashari kandang syong ban sngap ya kemukot duma ka arpunyau terik JYMMANG. Tat hadu kata kesengi kini Khubor sencar kimla banrai halor kini ke jaka.
State officer Guwahati. So their representative also came to today's meeting and they have shared the entire history and what action has been initiated by them and what are the subsequent court proceedings. And in fact, we told them that we will write a letter to them to share all this background history and their action which has been taken up by them so far. So that they said that they assured us that in a day they will share this information. We will also study and that will help us to decide our course of action. But what transpired in this meeting is that, so initially there was a title suit for this land. It was given in favor of Defence Estate Office, so that is very clear. After this, when they issued an eviction notice for this people who are there, specifying the boundary, so they went to court has given stay order that eviction has to be followed as per the law, due procedure of law. So that basing on this, as per the latest in the month of December, they have fixed the date of 27th of May as the date for hearing, where the court asked the Defence Estate Office, that is the, to respond to the queries that is notice. So after this, we are expecting, based on the discussion that we have discussed, a favorable decision in favor of this Defence Estate Officer, and there we will decide the course of action. But at the same time, what we discussed with them is that as this place we are getting reports and complaints that this place is being used by different players for various illegal activities. So that's we are initiating with SP of East Khasi Hills for a detailed report on law and order in this area, so that we will take action as per this procedure also with respect to violation of any of this. They said that they will get it ready in one or 2 days. They will send the report to us.
Are you actually surveying how many families? Because according to what HYC claim is 80 to 100 households. So from your side, are you surveying actually how many illegal settlers are?
As of now, no, because as it is already in the court, so court has fixed 27th May as the date for the decision. So we are, as it in the sub judice, we are not going for any survey as of now. But as I said, they are sending the detailed report as per their survey, because they have already done the survey and they have demarcated the land also. And this title suit of the land is in favor of the Defence Estate Office in Guwahati. So they will share the details, and as soon as we get the report, and we will share it with you also.
Kara Yalong West Jante Hills District Hakalai Potrik Yayong Kalapendep Ikaleniam No Sakriat Beshisin Chisnem Jongka Harangkat Kenyam Kerukom Besyongkun Kembalayo Pateng Nikilong Shwa Manshwa Bangu Bandem How Blay Terai Kenrat Nong Bo Nong Tau Bat Hakamei Mariang Bikin Kersoy Bat Kerku Kerdo Ya Karep Karyang Kateriga Kta Jong Khun Wahajar Jong Kani Karat Shwa Banzdang Gajing Lekmen Ladon Gajingelang Belingkot Ba Ladon Lang Kiriurang Ba Karat Ki Khun Karat Kintay Bat Chinrang Kat ba udoloy ka ilaka Jawai uba Puramon Kinjing ulalong kum Ukongsan. Ukongsan Puramon Kinjing haba ay jingkren ulapen pau ku jingkermen bada ka jing Shempang kinongelam kara Yalong kinla ban Peit Shibun ki jing Donkam ha ka jing ki Khun Samla kenang bikin nat ni ki jing sniu bubunjat. Haba yakren bat Presiden kara Yalong uba perkhat Jylla ulay thu hapo ka jingelam ulingdo bat ki kendai wasan kila pendep ya ke jingle niam nado dang step kabalapen I ya kidak kishin babha kumta kermen ba enyo ya ka koi ka kya bat ke jingker khu blay habaro kiliang jong ke jing embryo how new snap.
Thôi cái jing kerku, yok cái jo cái jing kerku. Này đây đào cái rai long, em cái jing cái kle. Này bên tàu wan rai con giriot, wow yok cái jing sup. Wow yok cái jing ku, hak long bru ke man bru. Kau kerpang cái jing ku, hak cái jing im go miat go bang. Cái jing thorang kau, cái jing pendep niam, yang blang do ui besan. Oman ke jing pendep niam kawai I bru warok jokan mo yo blai ongi a blai kan rat yarap I yor ai kerchani ke jing pendep niam oman ke ikhtiar ka borba ko pen klan ye ke jing kwa ke ongi wada em chwa kinong ngo nong dem kinong pendep niam nei ba klem giniam mem guluti go yo ye klam bo blai lem ke dustur geriti dan ikirukom giong I mem ke jing pen kentang ya ke por ko kodor yang igibru ko penyoi ya ke jing siang buram wanam yo yi le lem em ke bor giong ki ngoy blai kan rat ko ki blai rangkau ki blai chinong ki blai thau ki wi yeng ki wi ya yom nang Ijo chogi ke jing ada iki bro. Kamu yo ke Khubor Cibon ki kon ro khlot ki yong i. Yo ki start wir naran ki hai khan. Ge ke jing gua da yo ki ye ke jing kai ku kam wilai lang i. Wa Khubor man ge ke jing Om ye ke perangkat dor ke jing yong ki kam ki ro khlot. Yo man utis nam yong ke riu ke jai bro. Wa ke jing thempang yong nong yelam yong ke sen ra yelom. Wa Peit Cibon ke jing kam. Wa wiada ye ke jing yong ki kon ro khlot yong i. Wa leki nei dam ye chim benta hai purei puthi. Nei dam ye chim benta hai kam ke lang salang. Nei dam ye chim benta hagi kam yong ke rai ke chnong. Nei ba lada ki ro khlot jangai ki nei mayaniam maya blai. Kaluti wasi daw yang ke yeki. Lada jangai ki ke jing om berangkat ya akor salon. Daman ki bru ko jangai ne ke jing yong ke tip bru tip blai. Ton hi mi ke hok yong ini perthai. Ko hok ko cekri nei benta ke jing kam yong iki bru nei benta para bru.
Kani ka no sa ina sedang ka nadok kani ka muchai udah dep ko sedang ka krong ka tri ko man ga jing le niam go le nadok ki por go rim go ja wa kani ga jing le niam yong ito ha chwa wo hirat hariang te ikam gara yalong da ini atli ki jing le niam ka ni ka le niam no skriat cha supra wa ga be den chlam dan ni ga sni go man go sni go pendet i ga niam gorkom ni ga sni yong ga repauterik yung benai wa so yung tem arjar fakto da tang step thangap kam tu da em ka knyar kau ko knyai gili phar kau wa em hapo yung gani garat yalong yung i ko hapo ka jing yalam yung longdo ko ki kende wasan da pendep ya ganiam burkom bat nyau suk ong le wa ka jing le niam yung newsnem man ko miet ko bha da i ko le niam penju ho miet wa bha penju wan ka jing ku hamtam jaga cai ka khia kam ong ani kham tam mi ka rep riang ha ko emi ki jing kermen ko kani ka rep riang man ba wa miet wa bha ha ko yo ku dap tem dap benai ubam halagi waro ki yung kisem ga em po yang rai ki long de kam ju ne da din da bi kaniem gorkom muste ban gaski daw em man ga chatukra kani man ko mi punya klat wa kaniem gorkom wa kolsor Step meski man go MG chat culture jogi go practice na do kipor go rim chua ga mongi pi but aden gani gasngi step ban gasngi man go chi gasngi hat kata gasngi wan ongi gasngi chat tho kata gasngi wan to go thungu ro ki sembe ki waju thung ju rebi agani ka
Bat da ki Khubor ngilapoi shikabukot tat hadu menginisiam biang kublai shipon.